Welcome back to Prepper Boss. Today we're going to be doing a little modification to the Stihl MS 170 chainsaw with a tensioner for the chain on the side that makes it much easier to use. Stay tuned. First thing we'll do is remove the chain and the chain bar. Try to always use something that you won't lose your nuts in. I use a magnetic little disc here. Works great. Next we remove the tensioner screw, and then this piece here will pop right out. It's a little bit greasy. So that pops right out. This had the screw to the front, as it was next to the bar and made it difficult to tighten the chain. We'll clean this out a little bit. This one has the adjustment on the side. That fits right in. Bar goes right over it. As we put the cover on, you'll see the tensioner screw is right here now. While I have this off, this kit came with these felling dogs, which using an Allen wrench screw right on, and this takes the place, fits right over the plastic ones, and it helps keep your log in place as you get the chainsaw close to the wood. So I'll go ahead and do that quickly while I've got the blade off. So this tensioner snapped in where we took the other one out, and you're going to have to move this back by unscrewing this. These are reverse threads. Once that's seated into place, you can put the cover back on. And you can see the chain is a little loose. So let's put this back on. We'll tighten this up so the bar is good and snug. Then we'll show you how the side tensioner works. You'll see that the chain is too loose, so we'll go with the screwdriver right into the side where the new screw location is. So now we have the bar back on, bolted down. The screw right here now controls the tension. I tightened it a tad. It's got a little bit of play, a little too much. And we're ready to go. Thanks for tuning in. This older Stihl MS 170 is now easy to adjust right here with the side tensioner instead of the little screw down in here. Thanks for stopping by. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.